Discover the Eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum for effortless cleaning by Eufy Home. Introducing the Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max, designed for a powerful, quiet clean in a sleek, slim profile that fits seamlessly into your home. The ultra-thin design reaches beneath furniture, ensuring every area is cleaned without a trace left behind. Experience efficient cleaning with up to 100 minutes of battery life, ideal for hardwood floors and medium pile carpets. Experience intelligent cleaning with Boost IQ technology, automatically increasing suction when needed for optimal performance. The vacuum operates at a noise level similar to a microwave, ensuring a peaceful environment during cleaning. Equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover, it offers durability and a sleek appearance. Infrared sensors help the vacuum evade obstacles, while drop sensing technology prevents falls. The Eufy robot vacuum automatically recharges, keeping it prepared for future cleaning sessions. Included are a remote control, charging base, cleaning tool, and a 12-month worry-free warranty for peace of mind. Rated 4.3 stars. Don't miss out on these must-have products by clicking the link in the description.